So hello everyone, today we learn about what are the stages of erythropoiesis, but before that I just repeat, tomorrow I upload that video, what is the erythropoiesis, just I repeat it. So that is erythropoiesis is formation and development of red blood cells from the pluripotent stem cells, and it take up 7 days. So that's called erythropoiesis. But today we learn about what is the stages of erythropoiesis. So today we learn about what is the stages of erythropoiesis. So today we learn about what is the today we learn about what are the stages of erythropoiesis. There is a first stage, total 9 stages, and 7 most IMP stages of erythropoiesis. There is a first stage, it's known as a formation of pluripotent stem cells. Formation of pluripotent stem cells from the red bone marrow. So that is important question, where the formation of pluripotent stem cells. So formation of pluripotent stem cells from the red bone marrow, from the bones. There is a second stage that's known as a multipotent or hematopoietic stem cells. You remember this stage by this word. This is a multipotent. That means this stage cells are able for forming any blood cells. That means that stage formation RBC cells or WBC cells or platelet, any one of that formation. Not follow any one cells, but formation of any red blood cells, WBC cells or platelet cells. So that's called multipotent or hematopoietic stem cells. There is a third stage that's known as a unipotent or committed stem cells. You remember this stage, unipotent. Unipotent mean single, or committed mean fix, any one of this you remember. So according to this stage, a cell become producing only red blood cells. So you remember the only third stage become decide formation of red blood cells. So you remember this, which stage of the erythropoiesis decide formation of red blood cells. This is the unipotent stage or committed stem cell stage. Next stage is a pronormoblast or proerythroblast. Not become any major changes occurring this stage, or stage 5 is normoblast or erythroblast. So before starting these stages I said 9 stages, but I said 7 stages are more important. I decrease these 2 stages. stage 4 or stage 5 because no major changes occur in the formation of red blood cells. There is only pronormoblast or the normoblast. There is a stage 6, most IMP stage. Because of only stage, there is a formation of HB inside the red blood cells. So remember this stage, which stage of the RBC formation or erythropoiesis formation to become the HB formation inside the cell. There is only polychromatophilic stage where the formation of HB inside the red blood cells. So remember this most big question. There is a stage 7. First of all, I clear something. We all know RBC cell has no nucleus, but when the formation of RBC cells, there has a nucleus, but during formation of stage 7, there is expel of nucleus. So in the end of red blood cell formation, they have no nucleus. So remember this stage, the only stage that decide RBC has a no nucleus, this orthochromatic stage. Until that stage, the RBC has a RBC has a nucleus, but after that all stages RBC has a no nucleus. There is a stage 8, reticulocyte. You remember this stage by first capital letter R2, R. Because of this stage, the erythrocyte have a RNA, and so that called reticulocyte stage. And second most important thing, until stage 1 to stage 7 occurs in red bone marrow. But only stage 8 reticulocyte enter in the blood circulation. So two most important thing, first R2 R connection, that means they have a RNA. And second thing, stage 1 to stage 7 occurs in the red bone marrow, but stage 8 reticulocyte enter in the blood circulation. And last one stage, that's called erythrocyte, that's known as mature red blood cells. Note about stage 8 reticulocyte convert into erythrocyte in 1 to 2 days. And another IMP question: if anyone asked what is the total time period of RBC formation, so there is the answer is 7 days. But anyone ask what is the time period of RBC cell or mature blood cells or erythrocyte formation from the reticulocyte. So there is answer 1 to 2 days or few days.